Hello everyone, let's have a look for this type of the hairstyle. You are going to take the two strands from the two different ends, then you are going to tie them up using the rubber band, then you are going to give them the internal twist and the two divisions are made and you are going to tie them up using the another rubber band as apparent on your screens. Once you are done with this type of the procedure, then you just have to take more rubber bands and fix them at the proper position towards the lower direction. Give them the twist from the inner side towards the outer ones. Once you are done with this, tie them up as apparent on your screens. This one is so cool and easy. You can definitely give it a try. It looks so beautiful on your hair. Just go for this one. Let's have a look for this type of the hairstyle. Again, you are going to take the two strands, fix them at the proper position using the rubber band, give the internal twist, and then again with the help of some more strands, you are going to build this type of the braid, decorate with some type of the fancy pins. Another hairstyle is inspired from the high ponytail. First make a high ponytail, then with the help of the different rubber bands, fix them at the proper position one after the another. After that, you just have to make a bumpy type of the look and fix them at the proper position using another type of the pin. This looks so good and nice, and you can decorate it with some fancy pin or you can keep it as it is. Let's move towards another type of the hairstyle inspired from the classical braid. First, you just have to take the few strands from the topmost area. After that, you just have to convert it into the braid as apparent on your screens. Just continue building the braid till the length of your hair. You can repeat the process from the another and then fix them together using the common rubber band. And after that, another rubber band is to be taken and the internal twists are given and it looks so good. Thank you for watching our videos.